ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय श्लोक नंबर 12. In the introduction we saw Adyantayor Anatmatve Prasiddhe. Deha is Anatma. This is the Pratignya. Deho Anatma. If I have to understand Tattvamasi Mahavakya, I have to do Tvam Padartha Shodhanam. Tvam Padartha Shodhanam means what is Anatma, in that I should not have Aham Buddhi. And therefore, other than Shuddha Chaitanya, I should understand everything as Anatma. First is Deha, Sthula Sharira. So it is Anna Karyam. Tikakar says, न केवलम अन्न कार्यत्वात् अनात्मत्वम अनुमातव्यम. Not only it is anna karyam, before and after also it is anna, it is jada. Then when it goes inside this mouth and I understand it is aham, suddenly there is aham buddhi in it. How is that possible? He said, Adyantayoho Anatmatve Prasiddhe Madhyapi Kaha Pratibandhaha. Before I consume the food, it is anatma. Once I reject the food from my body, it is anatma. Then why in the middle, what stops me from accepting that? At that time also it is anatma. See Tika, second line. Adyantayor odana purishayoho anivarita anatmatva pratipattihi udiryamana madhye dehendriyayoho kena pratibadha ityartha. Before I consume the food, it is odana, it is rice. At the end, it is purisha, it is mala. Adyantayoho odana purishayoho. Anivarita anatmatvam. Anivaritam anatmatvam yayoho. Odana purishayoho. So there, anatmatva nivaranam we are not doing. Cannot do also. So this pratipatti udiryamana sati. So when this pratipatti, this knowledge arises in my mind, then dehend madhye, in the middle, before and after, in between whatever happens, dehendriyayoho kena pratibadha pratipattihi. Then this jnanam, why it is stopped or restricted in the middle? You can reflect on the Karika. Adavante cha yannasti. Vartamane api tattatha. If in the beginning it is not Atma, ante it is not Atma, Vartamane api na Atma. आगंतुकत्वाद् अपि अनात्मत्वम् अनुमेयम् इत्याह. If it is agantuka, somebody may think that some new thing has happened when the food enters the mouth, and therefore it is Atma. So he says we can do anumanam agantukatvad api anatmatvam anumeyam. You can do this anumanam. How? See the shloka. Praganatmaiva jagdhamsa धात्मतामेत्य विद्यया स्रगालेपनवद्देहं तस्मात् पश्येद् विविक्तधीः. प्रागनात्मैव जगदंस धात्मतामेत्य विद्यया स्रगालेपनवद्देहं तस्मात् पश्येद् विविक्तधीः. प्राक् अनात्मा एव जगधम सत् अविद्यया आत्मताम एति. तस्मात् विविक्तधीहि देहं स्रगालेपनवत् पश्येत्. अन्नम प्राक अनात्मा. Before consuming, it is anatma. Jagdham sat. Jagdham dhatu. What is a dhatu? What is the dhatu? Ad. Adabhakshane. Then there is a sutra. Ado jagdir lyapti kiti. Ada will get jagdha adesha. So kit, when there is kit pratyaya, so nishtha pratyaya, this is nishtha. Jagdham. Jagdam sat, when it is consumed, then avidyaya atmatam eti. Because of ignorance, I think this is me. Therefore, viviktadhihi means viviktadhir yasya saha viviktadhihi, person who has viveka buddhi, vivechana samarthyam. For such person, deham sragalepanavad pashya. Srak means garland, so you should understand srak chandana, both. Garland alepanam, normally you do for chandana. But alepanam, if you take it as alinganam, so like when you put garland, outside it is flowers. When you put garland, it is agantuka. Then garland doesn't become you. Or some cream is there, chandana is there. You apply, it doesn't become you. So like that food also, it is not you. In this way, a viveki should see. All these shlokas are to remove aham buddhi in deha. That too much identification is there, because of which I am not able to recognize my brahmatva. Further, idanim apayitvat api anatmatvam anumeyam ityaha. Apayitvat, deha, anatma, apayitvat. Apaya means it goes away. It is separated from you. So earlier, anna karyatvat, then annatmatvat, then this next shloka is apayitvat. Moolam. Atha evam api मद्वचनम नाद्रियसे स्वयमेव एतस्मात् शरीरात् अशुचि ही अशुचि राशे है निराशो भविष्यसि. अथ still evam api madvachanam na adriyase. Even now, if you don't regard my words, don't respect my words, adriyase, what is the dhatu?
Dram adare.
Dring adare. So if you don't give adar to my words, स्वयं एव एतस्मात् शरीरात् अशुचि राशि है. This sharira is what? Ashuchi rashi. It is a heap of impurity. It is a moving toilet. Ashuchi rashi. From that, स्वयं एव एतस्मात् शरीरात् अशुचि राशि है nirasho bhavishyasi. You will give up your hopes from this, means you will leave this body. Tika. Tika just says manyase. Manyase tavadasmiti yavadasman niyase shvavihi krodi krite dehe naivam tvam abhimansyase. Manyase tavadasmiti yavadasman niyase shvavihi krodi krite dehe naivam tvam abhimansyase. यावद अस्मान न नीयसे तावद अस्मि इति मन्यसे. श्वभिः क्रोडीकृते देहे नैवं त्वम् अभिमंस्यसे. यावद, as long as you don't live from this body as a soul, as a jiva, अस्मान न नीयसे, or you don't live means unless somebody takes you away from this. Until someone takes you away from this body, the Yamaduta, Tavad asmiti manyase, so long I say, yeah, this is me, this is me. Once the Yamadutas take you away, then you are just helplessly going to look at this body and people are going to do all karma after you. They will have Bhandara also in your name and you will just watch helplessly. This is not me. So then, at that time, Bhandara may happen or not happen, but this may happen, the second line. In the olden days, there were no such organizations. People used to be in forest, Giri, Parvata, and then Giri Guha in the caves, etc., in forest. So there, somewhere while moving here and there, body will drop. That is how it is going to be. Then when body drops, after a few hours, the smell starts. So then some animals will come. So the wild dogs, they come, let us say. Shwabi, that's why it is given. And the dog is going to say, this is mine. So earlier you were saying, this is mine. Afterwards, the dog will say, this is mine. Means this is my food. I have captured this. Krodi krite can mean alingite. So like that dog, as though he has captured, more in the sense of, has captured this body of yours. And he claims, this is mine. At that time, tvam na evam abhimansyase, you will not be thinking like this. Man dhatu lrit lakara. Man thas. Then syatasi lilitoho. So sya will come. Man sya thas. There is a sutra. Thasa se. Thas will become se. So man sya se. And nakara of man dhatu will become anuswara. What is the sutra? Nasya padantya jhali. So tvam na evam abhimansyase. This deha abhiman nivritti is a different kind of project by itself. Studying this text, memorizing certain shlokas, sutras, ideas is one thing. Removing dehatma abhimana is a special thing. Means it will happen through more viveka, understanding. That is what his Acharya is trying to do, increase our viveka. Tika. Tavadeva tavadehe aham buddhir bhavati yavad asmad dehad utkramya na lokantaram gamishyasi. Only so long you will have aham buddhi in this deha, in this body, yavad asmad dehad utkramya, from this body having departed, lokantaram na gamishyasi. You imagine if they give you new body, devata sharira. Also, this is better. Let's get rid of that other one. Gate tu sarmeyad sarmeyadayas tam imam deham krodi kurviran. Sarmeya sarmeyasya apatyam sarmeyam means a descendant of dog. Dhak pratyaya. In apatya artha, dhak pratyaya comes. So when dha comes, what is the sutra for dha? Ayane yiniya chagam. In that dha is there. Dha is eya. Ayana eya. Ayaneyi. So ayana eya. So that eya is there. Saram eya. Saram eya dayaha. Saram eya dayaha. Tam imam deham, this body, krodi kurviran, having captured or having embraced this body. Krodi krite tu tasmin idanim iva abhimano na bhavati ityartha. Once they have captured, you will not have abhimana. that this is me. So why are you having this abhimana now? शरीरमेव तत्त्वम् इति शरीरे ममत्वं विशेषतो न करणीयम् तृणामपि साधारणत्वात् इत्याह। शरीरम एव तत्त्वम्, शरीर इज द तत्त्वम्, इति शरीरे ममत्वं विशेषतः न करणीयम्। इति शरीर, इट इज शीर्यमाण, in that sharira mamatvam na karaniyam, that is not me or mine. Why? Shunam api sadharanatvat, even dogs have the same. How? Right now you are saying the body is mine, later the dog will say body is mine. This same body he will claim. Not only that, other people also may claim. How? See, shira akramya padena भर्त्सयत्यपरान् शुनः दृष्ट्वा साधारणं देहं कस्मात् सक्तोऽसि तत्र भोः। शिर आक्रम्य पादेन भर्त्सयत्यपरान् शुनः दृष्ट्वा साधारणं देहं कस्मात् सक्तोऽसि तत्र भोः। शिरः पादेन आक्रम्य अपरान् शुनः भर्त्सयति। तत्र देहं साधारणं दृष्ट्वा कस्मात् सक्तोऽसि भोः। पादेन शिरः आक्रम्य, a dog, it's a wild dog, not domestic kind. Dog or wolf and these jackals and all these, they are there in the forest all over. So they will come there. And how they claim, they will stand on your, near the head with their feet, front feet, on the forehead like this. And they will look. Nobody else should come near. This is mine. And then nobody comes, then they will eat. And they will again look. This is called shira akramya. Padena shira akramya. Aparan shunah bharsayati. Some smaller dog or some other variety comes. They will drive them away. This is mine. Don't touch. Right now we say, this is mine. Don't touch me. Aparan shunah bharsayati. This is the case. So, in this deha, I also have mama buddhi, that dog also has mama buddhi. Other animals also will have mama buddhi. These red ants in forests, when we go for walk sometimes, some small creatures, let's say they are there. Red ants will clean them. Only bone structure will remain. Everything else is licked out. They will also claim, this is mine. And so many other animals, whoever wants to have good party, they will celebrate. And if you have been having good organic food and all, then the dogs will enjoy even more. They'll say, this is all good stuff. Kasmat saktosi, why are you attached to this body? A bhoho. Tika. Bharsayati. ekasya iti shesha. One will shout at the others, that is what. They will bark at everybody. Further now, somebody has objection to verse 11 now. Yaduktam tadbhagah sendriyo deha. This was said in 11th shloka. Bhaga means, I said parinama. So this deha is anna parinama along with indriyas. Iti tad asiddham. I said, no, this is not true. Iti na ashankaniyam. Shruti siddhatvat. Don't have such doubts because it is Shruti Siddha. What? That Deha is Anna Karya. Idyaha. Shruti Pariprapito Ayam Artho Anatma Buddhyadi Dehanta Iti Idamaha. Ayam Artha. What? Buddhyadi Dehanta is all Anatma. From Buddhi or Ahankara all the way up to Deha. Ahankaradi Dehantan Sarvan Ajnana Kalpita. All of that is Anatma. Shruti says the Shruti Pariprapita Artha. Iti idam aha. Tika. Na kevalam yadva. Or another way he gives. Na kevalam anumanat eva dehe indriyayoho anatmatva avagamaha. Kintu agamad api ityaha. Not only through anumana pramana we say deha indriya are all anatma. Shruti pramana is also there. Agama pramana is there. Acha, where I don't remember agama pramana. अन्नमशितं त्रेधा विधीयते तस्य यः स्थविष्ठो धातुस् तत्पुरुषं भवति यो मध्यमस्तन्मांसं यो अनिष्ठस्तन्मन इति शरीरस्य मनसश्च अन्नकार्यत्वं दर्शयति इत्यर्थः. छान्दोग्य श्रुति 651. अन्नमशितं त्रेधा विधीयते. This food that is consumed gets divided into three. Tasya yaha sthavishtho dhatuh. Sthavishta means that which is sthula, grossest. Tat purisham bhavati. Sthavishta, ishthan pratyay is there on what?
Sthula.
Sthula shabda?
Oh.
No. Yes.
Sthu Gunakarya.
What is that?
Sthu
Sthu, how sthu will come from where? Check and tell me in the next class. Sthavishtaha, that is grossest. Dhatu. Tat purisham bhavati. Yo madhyamastan mamsa. The middle part becomes mamsa, means it stays in the body. And yo anishtaha, that which is sukshma, it becomes tanmanaha. So mind is also mana buddhi, they are also annakarya. Sthula sharira is also annakarya. Iti sharirasya manasasya annakaryatvam darshati. What is it? Somebody gave the answer. I couldn't hear properly. What is that? One person can say, then I can hear.
अतिशयेन स्थूलः इष्टन्
Atishayana sthula.
इष्टन्
That Atishayane
Tamavishtanau.
That sutra is there.
That Atishayane Tamavishnu, that sutra is applied.
Atishayane.
Atishayane Tamavishnu. Ishtanau. Atishayane Tamavishtanau. So 5355.
Oh, sutra we know. Sutra is put where?
Stha shabda. Stha ishtan sthavishtan. Sthavishtaha.
How does stha adesha come? Stha is not a shabda. See, on Guru, if you do ishthan, it becomes garishtha. On Patu, you do ishthan, it becomes patishta. Anyway, let's leave this topic for now.
स्थूला प्लस इष्टन् स्वामीजी लस्य लोपः लकार गच्छति
Brusavrihi palalanshayir बीजमेकं त्रिधा यथा बुद्धिमान् सपुरीषांशै रन्नं तद्वदवस्थितम् ब्रुसव्रीहि पलालांशैर् बीजमेकं त्रिधा यथा बुद्धिमान् सपुरीषांशै रन्नं तद्वदवस्थितम् यथा he gives दृष्टांत यथा एकम बीजम ब्रुसव्रीहि पलालांशैहि त्रिधा भिन्नम त्रिधा अवस्थितम तद्वत् अन्नम बुद्धि मांस पुरीषांशैर अवस्थितम त्रिधा अवस्थितम. So one seed, when it is put in the ground, sown, then it appears as Busa, Vrihi and Palala. Busa means bhusa, what we call. Vrihi is the grain. Palala is the husk. Palala meva dhanyarthi. Tyajet. So that is Palala. Dhanyarthi, the one who is interested in dhanya, will reject Palala. So from one seed you get these three. Busa, Vrihi, Palala. Like that, from Annam, Buddhi, Mamsa and Purisha. Antakarana is also formed. Mamsa for the body and Purisha, that the lowest portion, Anishtha, is also rejected. Further in Tika, Evam sthula sukshma deha dvaya vyatirikta atma vedanasya drashtam eva phalam sarvanartha bija bhuta raga dveshayor nivrittihi iti sadrishtantam aha. Sthula sukshma deha dvaya vyatirikta atma vedanam. When I understand that Atma is sthula sukshma deha dvaya vyatirikta atma vedanasya drashtam eva phalam. Phalam drashtam. What is the phalam? Sarvanartha bija bhuta raga dveshayoho nivrittihi. All the anarthas, they begin because of aham buddhi in this deha. Beyond this, something is there. I'll have raga, I'll have dvesha. So sarva anartha bija bhuta is sthula sukshma dehe aham buddhi. How free we will become when we don't have this notion? But nobody wants to work for that real freedom. सर्वानर्थ बीजभूत राग द्वेषयोः निवृत्तिः इति सदृष्टान्तम् आह. मूलम प्रीवियस पेज. यथोक्तार्थ प्रतिपत्तौ सत्यां न राग द्वेषाभ्याम विक्रियते विपश्चित् इति अस्य अर्थस्य प्रतिपत्तये दृष्टान्तः. विपश्चित् actually means chaitanya, means jnani. Yathoktartha pratipattau satyam. When this artha pratipatti takes place, then on that raga dvesha bhyam na vikriyate, then raga dveshas will not affect him at all. Then he will not be only chanting name dvesha ragau, name lobha mohau. Actually, he will leave that. Others only chant with lot of music. But raga dveshas will be there. So raga dvesha bhyam na vikriyate, no vikar will happen because of raga dvesha. Iti asya arthasya pratipattaye, for this artha pratipatti, this wisdom, he gives drishtanta. All his drishtantas are varchaske samparityakte doshataschavadharite yadi dosham vade tasmai किंतत्रोच्चरितुर भवेत. वर्चस्के संपरित्यक्ते दोषतश्चावधारिते यदि दोषं वदे तस्मै किंतत्रोच्चरितुर भवेत. When the varchaska is given up from the body, varchaske samparityakte दोषतश्च अवधारिते यदि तस्मै दोषं वदेत् कोपि तत्र उच्चरितुः किं भवेत्. Means you take this example, dosh varchaska is rejected, let us say, from the body, and doshatascha avadharite, it has dosha because it is, first of all, it is unwanted aspect of life. Second, it has durgandha, it is impure, you don't touch it or do anything, and then you have to clean yourself. So doshatascha avadharite, if somebody shows dosha in that varchaska, will you say, why are you saying negative things about my varchaska or me? Will anyone say?
No.
Why not? Because I also agree. I also want to say dosha about that. I am with you. If somebody shows dosha in varchaska, I will say, I am with you. I join you in this. So the same thing about this body. If somebody says dosha about this, then what should we say? Yes, I agree with you. This is so negative. Yes. This is bad. Any criticism. But we immediately retaliate. Kin tatra uccharituhu bhavet. Uccharita, see, uccharituhu utsrashtuhu ityartha. The one who has done utsarjanam, who had left this. Wow, he doesn't have anything. Left means the one who, just as who has left varchaska, he is not going to complain. Can you imagine? See, right now we are in this 21st century. Sureshwaracharya ji wrote Naishkarma Siddhi when in 800-900 century, right? And there were no public toilets and all. And there were no toilets at home also probably. And these people were sannyasi, they were living everywhere. In forest only they had to go. Even Mahatmas here in Kailash, 150 years back, they used to use only forests. So then that Varchaska, once it is parityakta, you don't look behind. Like that in this deha, we should not have this aham buddhi, mama buddhi. Now this is Drashtanta. Varchaska is Drashtanta. Tadvat sukshme tatha sthule tyakte dehe tyakte vivekatah yadi dosham vadettabhyam kintatra vidusho bhavet tadvat sukshme tatha sthule dehe tyakte vivekatah यदि दोषं वदेत्ताभ्यां किं तत्र विदुषो भवेत्. तद्वत्, in the same way, स्थूले तथा सूक्ष्मे देहे विवेकतः त्यक्ते यदि ताभ्याम दोषं वदेत् तत्र विदुषो किं भवेत्. In the same way, when sthula sukshma sharira, when they are rejected through viveka, vivekatah tyakte parityakte. Tabhyam yadi dosham vadet, if somebody talks about dosha, if someone says, how do you look? You look like monkey. You look like buffalo. Now you imagine, I have so much aham buddhi in this body. Somebody says like this. Why? Because vivekatah tyaga has not happened. Viveka has not happened. A wise person, he will not have any feeling if somebody condemns this sharira. I say, yes. And also not that others can condemn. You cannot condemn. You are special. Nothing. Tika, there is nothing tadvatiti. One question somebody may get is, so if I want to do Brahmachintan, aham brahmasmi, should I spend time on Brahmachintan or should I spend time on this vichara that deha is this purisha, it is annakarya, etc. What is the answer?
Deha is purisha annakarya.
Aham brahmasmi is not going to work. Aham brahmasmi, where in aham I have included deha, that I don't have vairagya from deha, that aham brahmasmi is of no use. That aham is not brahma, which includes deha or antakarana. So for vairagya, I need this. When I am in that frame of mind that right now I don't identify with body for next few seconds or few minutes, then aham brahmasmi is very good. And I am doing shastra chintanam at that time. But otherwise, this vichara is very important and very much required. And just like I don't get attached to my body, I should not get attached to any other body. Because every body is annakaryam, like Varchaska. Because somebody may think I am not attached to my sharira, but I am attached to the others. That is also a problem. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्यक्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।